Ah, you shot me right in the fucking fat back.
Good. Let's get to that line! Front line! Let's go! Move it! Move it!
I like to move it, move it. Yeah, I know.
But at least gonna get to the
Is that a helmet I see? I don't mind, that's not a helmet.
Movers in the creek.
Oh, hey, one moving to the creek now.
Yep. Watch back, watch back. Is that a hit? I'm gonna call that a hit.
Daddy. I'm not Daddy. Hey, what's up? Where's Granny? No clue. Hey, watch that truck. Watch that truck. Whoa!
Taking fire. Alright.
Watch that truck. Watch that truck. Move faster. Move faster.
Yes, yes, truck. Guys, look, I'm blind firing. No, not really.
Hey, watch there. Straight forward. Find out spin. Straight forward. Find spin.
They're already up close to us. Buddy. Hit!
Hit. Ah, like the fucking ass. Hey, dude. Come on, move it. Hey, get down! Get down! Get down! Hey, right on that fence! Right on that fence! Hey, you're dropping in front! You're dropping in front! He's no problem right there.
Dude, I saw like 3 guys that went. I just lit it into them. What you doing?
I fucking got it. I'm doing it with my eye while I focus.
Alright, let's go.
30 American paintballs.
Dude, they're like fucking pushing us up right now. They're pushing fucking hard.
Did you just call them NATO?
No, I said they're fucking pushing hard.
Jack, reload. Here, take my pistol. I lost my pistol.
Loading.
Oh darn! Hey, if any of y'all see an H&K pistol, tell me.
H&K?
Yeah.
What model? What model H&K?
Huh? What model?
H&K makes a lot of stuff, dude.
Yo, those are not hitting you? Yo, we got like 5 guys pushing left.
Coming up.
Hey, watch those brush.
Line now. Eyes on that forest.
Got it.
On the left.
Whoa, gun hit. Left, left, left. Hit. Hit.
Fuck, man, seriously.
God.
Walk. Just start walking. Let's sit there and argue with them.
We're fucking walking.
Oh, dude, you just sit there and sprayed.
Fucking hate water.
No, you just sitting there.
This kid right here.
Hey, I'm getting hit right now.
Yeah, see him just keep on the
Dude, I've hit at least.
Through them bastards. That was hilarious.
I've killed at least 3 guys and they're not calling it still.
Far enough.
Yeah. Not much fucking ammo because that's. Fucking, they just took 80 rounds. Right there, right there.
I'm just not accurate.
Yeah. Right there. Hit! Fuck, dude, right in their spawn. Apparently they don't know the difference between spawn trap and not. Right in our fucking spawn.
I'm out. Oh, are you still in? No, I got it.
Y'all shouldn't be out. We're right in our spawn still.
There's no spawn trap here. You just move up the line. Go in, I can give you the last map. Hey, watch your left. Watch your left, watch your left. Right. Two on the left. See him?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm about to come in. Straight to the right! Hey, watch the left! Watch the left! They're on the river on our side! D tree. There's one on the right side of it and one about 5 degrees to the left of it. They're on the other side of that fence.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna go, Josh? Go use it. Die on the field.
Fuck for this. You gotta be kidding me. No, we got a malfunction.
If you guys don't want to wait, they're coming up the out of slide. The same guy wasted. Yeah, see. I had the two down there in the trench. I could have swore I was down them every time. Where's Remy at?
Remy went up high.
I'm gonna watch the sniper rifle.
Okay.
Josh has my M4 and he's doing something.
Alright, I'm coming back in.
Still one more life, right? Huh? Still one more life, right? Yeah. Oh, they're rushing fine.
That's really nice.
Yep. One guy. Hit!
Why the fuck are you defending the spawn?
Huh?
Why are you taking the spawn, dude?
They are? Fuck, my base plate. I know. You know, pistol, about fucking fuck, dude, they're not even 50 feet from our spawn. Yo, come on.
Yeah, with this guy, you can't shoot. Just so they have to call.
I had a bit of intramural. Yeah.
Yeah, you still doing that.
I had an extra 4-barrel lying around. I got one guy.
I got like 3.
Push on it! What? Metal pipe, push on it!
Yeah, one, creek side.
My friend is long to one lying around.
Well, that sucks. I just lost the base plate to my pistol mag.
Base plate?
Or,
Pistol mag? No, which one is that? Fuck you, this one. Soft case.
Yeah, then it swings around like stuff.